Today we about to work on this 2012 Maxima. We're about to do the front seat because mine, I need to change it because the airbag went off. So the side corner is out. So that's my new seat over there that I'm about to install. So let's start, man. Easy, easy, easy. Let's get it. Okay, for this you will need 16 mil. And if you have a drill, this is my new one, you know. I like it fresh. And you will need your T50, and you will need an extendo right here. It don't have to be this long, but I just have it this long because it was here already. With a ratchet to loosen the back ones. You know what I'm talking about. You got to work on the passenger side because that's the one I need to do, because look what happened right here. You see, airbag went off. So I'm gonna replace it with a better seat. It's over there, right there. Okay, now first things first, this cover right here, you can take it off, pull it off. This thing's already loose, so I can just take it off. You could use the T50 for this or the 16. I'm gonna use the 16 because that's faster for me. And yeah, same thing with this side. Take off the cover, take that off. Mine's already loose. Just pop it out. It's another 16 or a T50. Let's start with that. It's my gun right here. This thing I like it a lot. Put on 3. Take this off, just like that. The back ones are not like this. It's a little different. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so when you take those off, remove them. I have them here. Now, put the seat all the way up, like all the way forward, so you can see the back 2 bolts. And, okay, all the way up, all the way. Not all the way, but until you see the bolts. Now, just take your tools, T50, your ratchet. These are the back ones. There will be another cover right here you could take off. Use a flathead or something to take these off. This thing's already loose. So, just take your T50 right here and just loosen it with your ratchet, because I know these are tight. I'm not trying to use my gun for it, you know what I'm saying, and strip it. I don't want to strip that shit. So let's loosen it with this first by hand and continue with the electric ratchet. Now if you decide just to use this by itself, that's up to you. I use my hand first. Now I'm gonna take it off with this drill because I loosened it already. Just like that. Same thing with the other side. Okay, take that out. Now there's connectors under the seat, so this part I tilt the seat down. I will pick it up first because, you know, there's a thing right here that goes inside the car, like down in the car. So let's lift it up. You see that it's hanging down on the seat? It goes right in there of the car. So you have to pull it out first and let it loose. Keep it down. Don't let it go back in the hole. Now put the seat back so it's okay, just like that. So it stays like that. Now there's 2 connectors right here. Remove it. Just like that. It's the airbag one, the yellow one, just like that. Pull it back. Now let's take out the seat and install the other one. Okay, now before you put everything back together, like, you know what I mean, before you put that that back one in the hole, make sure you connect these first. This first here, make sure your connectors match with the new seat. Plug it in. Just like so. Just like that. Plug it in. Clips on there, tight. Now let's put, you see this right here? That goes right in here, this hole. So let's put that there and align the other hole with this, the screw. The hole for the screw, line up with that. Same thing with the front. Align it here so you can put the bolt, the screw here to tighten the seat. Alright, let's start with the back first. Okay, so when you line it together, let's put the bolts in, just like that. I'm gonna use the gun to tighten it first, then use the regular ratchet to tighten it. If you want, you could just tighten it with this, but it's pretty tight, so I'll still use the ratchet. Use the ratchet to tighten it some more. Not OD tight, but you know, snug it. Okay, don't force it, but you know, snug. See that? Turned a little. See? Okay, this should be good. Oh yeah, don't forget about this. Put this on top. It goes here like this. Should be okay. Okay, just like that. Should be another one here, but I don't know where it went. Somewhere here. I'll put it on later. Let's do the front now. Let's back the seat up. Back. Okay. So you see the holes, should be good. This is the one. This is the one with the 16, or you can use the T55, but I'm gonna use the 16. Just like that. Let's get it. Tighten this up. Okay. Now, let's use this, you know, tighten it a little more. If you want, you can use a 16 too. But this is here. I'm gonna just use it. Okay. All right, nice and tight. Now let's put the plastic piece on there. Should go down on there, just like that. Snap in there. Same thing with this side. Just like that. Snap. And that's it. Same thing with the driver's side. Same exact thing. That was it. See, it was only 4 bolts and 2 connectors for the seat. So when you put it back, put everything together, tighten it down. Don't forget your 2 connectors, your airbag, and the connector for the seat, heated seat or whatever's down there. Connect everything, and that is it. I helped you out. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, later.